Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The final edition of Queen Philippines pageant ended last night as they crowned their winners in a glittering coronation night at the Pacific Grand Ballroom of Waterfront Cebu Hotel and Casino, Quezon Province. She was crowned as Queen Philippines International 2024. Mikay Bautista, Queen Philippines International 2024. Took home the title of Queen Philippines International 2024, shining brightly among the 39 contestants with her captivating presence and strong sense of purpose. Mikay quickly became a favorite in the competition. Her grace on stage and eloquence during the interview segment set her apart, showcasing her readiness to take on the international stage. Mikay's commitment to environmental sustainability and her advocacy for youth empowerment were central to her campaign, resonating deeply with both the judges and the audience. As Queen Philippines International 2024, Mikay is set to use her platform to raise awareness on crucial issues, particularly those affecting the youth and the environment. Her victory is a reflection of her dedication to making a meaningful impact. And she is now ready to represent the Philippines with pride, continuing the legacy of beauty and advocacy that the country is known for.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!